D now. $2 bet. We just got a bonus, y'all. We get to select which bonus that we want. I apologize for the glare. First time playing this one. Hey, I'm going right here. I want to see what it is. Show me some magic, baby. Re-trigger. Show me some magic, baby. Look at that thunder. Oh, look at that thunder up there. What is that thunder, boy? The thunder is going crazy up there. I don't know what he got going on, but I want some of it. Let's go. Show me some love, baby. Let's go. Watch slots. You already know what it is. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We up in here, y'all. We on this new Thunder Empire. $2 bet, 1 cent D9. We trying to get a bonus and a bonus. Times 8. We on that multiplier bonus. It can line up anything. It seems to be doing something. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Fire it up. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Count it up, count it up, count it up. Okay, times 3. But you ain't adding up to nothing right there, baby. Come on. Let's go. How many spins we got left? We got 6 more spins left. Let's go. Re-trigger. I need this to go off up here. This thunder, the battery, charge it all the way up, boy. It's counting up though. I like it. We got the, well, we got the kings and the queens. Yes, let's go. Line it up. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Do it. Come on. Show me some magic. Show me some thunder. Times 3. I need this to go on. Come on, boy. Show me what you got. I got 3 more spins left. Show me what you got. Do it. Show me something. Anything. Now you got me waiting. Show me a bonus and a bonus. Come on. Oh, it didn't do it. You got 1 spin left. I guess when it lands the ones that had a color. Oh, okay. Hey, we made 51 bucks off of that. Hey, that works. Okay. We'll see what we can do. We'll do a couple of more live spins and see if we can get it to go off. We need that battery action. Come on, y'all. We need that battery action up there. Come on. Come on. Do it. Oh. Couple of quick hits. Oh. Let it spin. Yeah, a couple of quick spins. Let's see what it was gonna do. Come on. Oh, come on. Look, no, look, it's like, it's right there. It's right there. 3 more. Oh, come on. Look, it's right there. Oh, that ain't gonna do it? Come on, let's go up to $3. We paid a little bit. Do it. Come on, baby. No action. Oh.
Don't just show up, show out, show up.
No. If we get anything else, y'all, we'll be back. Watch slots. You already know what it is. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm not gonna stop. Okay, y'all. We back. Different energy now. 2 cent D now. $2 bet. Which one should we pick? Which one you want to pick, right?
Go with the 10 again.
Go for the 10. Let's go, y'all. Let's get us a bonus and a bonus. Land some money, though. We still need that battery pack action. That bonus and a bonus. Let's go. Can you do it? I think you can. Will you do it? I don't know. I think you can, but will you do it? We don't know. We waiting on you. Let's go. Thunder Empire. Old boy sitting up there, he got attitude. Why you got attitude? Don't have attitude with me. We just trying to get some bread. Let's go. What you waiting on? You need some little assistance? He's counting. It must be 100 lines. Yes, it is. Spin it again. Oh, give it to us. It gave it to us. Nice. Nice. Oh, he's going crazy now. Look at him. I threatened him. I threatened him. And he got mad about it. Okay, so this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to get money in all the squares, but we want money in that square, of course. Then we're gonna fill this up. Let's go, y'all. Let's do it. There you go. There you go. Let's start it. Let's start it. Come on, land something, baby. Land something for us. Don't leave us out here on this island stranded. Thank you. I want that purple one. Can you land inside that purple one for me? Oh, it gave us another purple. Let's go. We need that purple action. We need to land inside of there. Come on, baby. 2 spins left. Let's go. All right. I like that. I like that. If you don't mind, you can land another progressive. Tell them. Ask them. Oh, Thunder. Come on now.
That's a hot mess.
1 spin left. Save us, baby. Save us. Oh, you failed me, bro. You failed me, bro. Oh, I'm so sad right now. See, there's so much potential, and I know it is. But we'll take that. We have no choice. We in the building. Watch slide. We in the building. Hey, and that was a bonus and a bonus. That was our 3rd spin. Let's go. Keep it going. Do it again. 8 times. Do it again. Just hit it and run it all the way across that battery line. Let's go. Run that ticket up there. Let's go, baby. I know you can. Let's do it. What about a re-trigger? That'd be nice too. Let's go. Thunder. Oh, thunder. Oh, thunder. Let's go. Get something going, bro. Get something going. Let's do it. Let's go. Do it. Run that across. I like to see that. Come on. Do it. Uh-oh. There you go. There you go. He did it. Nice. With another mini. I like it. Yeah, buddy.
I love it.
Let's go, boy. Let me see what you got for me this time. Do it.
Yes.
Okay, you dropping those purple.
Drop them in there. Come on.
Dropping the purple. But we need some action in the purple. Yes.
Do it again.
Let's go.
Do it again. Come on, get in there. Come on, baby. What y'all doing? Come on. Get in there. What?
Come on, bruh. Let's go. Thank you. Oh, with a mini too. 2. Nice.
Do it again. Do it again. No, in the purple.
In the purple.
We'll
We
take that too,
need
but
4 more of those purple.
In the purple.
Come on, baby. All right. Let's go.
Do it again.
We still need some action in the purple. We need 4 more in the purple. Yes. 3 more of that purple. Let's go, y'all. Give us that energy, that positive energy.
Do it.
Thunder.
Positive energy.
Oh, thunder.
Come on.
Let me see what you got from me.
2 more. Yeah.
Oh, thunder. Oh, that's another bonus, right? That's another bonus action. Let's go. It's our first time playing this, but I've seen it.
Do it stop yourself or
No, it's ready. It got something in store for us. Let's go.
do it.
Please land something. One more spin, baby. Land something. Land something.
In the purple.
That's that bonus. Watch it. Watch it.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh, excuse me. I'm sorry, though.
Oh, you get to go again.
It starts over. Yes, yes. Do it again.
Yeah.
Let's go. We still in the same bonus, y'all. Let's go. Land something else. Come on, don't fail us.
Do it.
There's no more purple action, but we need 1 to land. Come on, 1. Yes. Oh, we did get some more purple action. Okay. Shoot. Slap me in the face and shut my mouth. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh.
Get in there. Come on.
Let's go. Woo. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, purple. Yes, let's go, purple. 2 more purple. Come on, baby. 1 more purple. This one right here. Come on, baby. Let's go. Do it. Do it. Come on. Oh, nice. But we need this 1 more. Come on. Oh. We got action. We got action. Let's go, Thunder. Let's go, Thunder. Land something right there, baby. Let's go, Thunder. Come on, buddy. 1 more. Oh. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. Woo! Come on, buddy. Keep going. You can land anywhere though. Let's go. Just land something. Oh, come on. Come on. Land it. Land it. Is it gonna pay us out? Woo, okay. That's nice. And we still in the bonus. And it's still going. Because we filled up that purple. Yes. But it lines it up in a different way. Woo! We still got. Yeah. Do it again. Let's go. Come on, Thunder. Yeah, Thunder. Oh yeah. Come on, Thunder. Let's go. We like that thunder. We like that thunder. Come on, bro. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Come on. We need 5 more. Keep going. Keep going. The ultimate thunder bonus. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Ooh, it gave it to us. Let's go. Yes, boy. 10 yayas. I like it. Fill it up for the grand. 10,000. Let's go, baby. We over here at Agua Caliente. Oh, it's hot. It's that hot water. Yes, yes.
There you go.
Let's go. What you gonna do? You gonna give it to me again? You gonna pay me out this time? Let's go. Do it. Yes. And we still in the bonus. So you already know what that is, y'all. Hey. Big win. Big win. Big win. Count it up. Count it up. Count it up. Big win. Big win. Big win. Count it up. Count it up. Count it up. Hey, y'all, check this out. We still in the bonus, and it's just counting up, like we said. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay locked and linked in by hitting that bell notification so you won't miss out. Man, I don't want you to miss out on none of these hot slots, big win bonus we got coming at you, baby. We love it. We love it. Count it up. Okay, that's enough. Back to the bonus, y'all. Back to the bonus, y'all. Do it again. Come on. We got,
Do it again.
come on. Last spin. Last spin. Oh, 8 times. Nice. There we go. Yippee! Thunder. Brought the lightning. Thank you, bro. Got our ticket up to 400. Yes, yes. Hey, we'll do a backup spin. Look at that on the backup spin. What we talking about? What we talking about? What we talking about? What we talking about? Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. Hey, when it's rolling for you, it's rolling for you. On the backup spin. Had to bring it to you. Had to bring it to you live and in living color. In living color. Keep it going, man. Let's go. I like that. Do it again. Bonus in the bonus. Come on, baby. Don't just give us the spins and then gonna fail us.
Don't be like that. That is so good.
Uh-oh. 10 yayas.
Come on, purple. Come on.
Yes, let's go, baby.
Come on, purple.
Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. 4 more purple. Keep it rolling, baby. Do it. Do it. Do it, baby. Do it, baby. Now, mind you, when we land a purple, that gives us it resets the spins as well. So we still good. Let's go. Come on, Yerpo. Oh, hey, that's still nice though. Count it up. Count it up. Count it up. Hey, we'll take another $60. We sure will. Hey, 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 we in the building. White slots. White slots. Hey, we in the building. Check this out, man. Yep. That's what it is. Bam. Now we got the ticket up to 478. Let's do another backup spin. Let's see if we still got it rolling. Let's see what it is, man. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let's see what we gonna do. Oh, you ready, bro? Come on. Come on, Thunder. Mr. Thunder. I gotta come up with a nickname for you, bro. You got that attitude, bro. You got that little snarl on your face. I love that what's that, a Kango? That's the new 2027 Kango you got it on? You rocking that. You rocking that, though. Let's go. Come on, we're gonna see what you're gonna do. Can you get something before we get to 450? Do it. Let me see you do something else.
Do it.
Come on.
Come on, sir.
Come on now. One more. Oh! Come on now, last spin. All right, y'all. That was Thunder Empire. Old Tango. Old Mr. Thunder gave us that bonus, y'all. Got our ticket up to $4.50. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. We up at Agua Caliente, y'all. It's going down. It's lit up in here, y'all. Because we're in here by ourselves to get all this bread. Hit that like button, like I said, y'all. We're gonna bring these hot videos to you. Yes, yes. And we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna move on to the next one. Another winner. Let's go.
Haven't subscribed yet? What you waiting on? What you waiting on? What you waiting on? What you waiting on? Do it now.